Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design Solutions, and I just want to do a quick video to show you how far we got today. There's a big thunderstorm rolling in. You might be able to hear the thunder in the background, but we got all the posts up, and basically tomorrow we just got to wrap the fence, put the gates together, hang the gates, and then wrap it, which shouldn't take real long. But I'm going to turn you around and just take you a walk around the inner perimeter of the fence and just show you. So actually, let me come out here, just kind of show you. I know it's really sunny out, but trust me, there's a big storm coming and you might be able to hear it. We got this, there's a 10-foot dual gate that's going right over there, and these are your corner posts. It's called a dead man, and I got 4x4s buried under these, and they butt right up against the bottom of this post really tight, and that gives the corner more stability. There's also a cable, or not a cable, but a nylon, really thick nylon rope, or I don't know what you call it, but that goes through all of these rings here. They will be like this, and that will go through the top, and there's also a ring on the bottom, and that will hold this fence nice and tight together. But that also gives us something to there's this thing called a hog ring, and the hog ring, it almost looks like a staple, but it's a ring, and there's a little tool that you put the hog rings in, and you put it over the plastic line, and then it wraps itself around that line and the fence, so it holds the fence to it, this plastic fencing. And then you run zip ties, like 6 zip ties down on each post to zip tie. There's actually a tool for the zip tie that it tightens them and cuts them. But here I have to put the other side on still. We have an issue with this post, so I have to come tomorrow morning early. Might have to dig it up and do it over, because yeah, I don't get how it happened, but it sank, and it's every other post is perfect but that one. That's pretty sad. It pisses me off, because I worked so hard to get this far, and now I gotta probably dig it up. And it's a gate post, so I can't put the gate on until I get that post right. But anyway, we're going around the inside here. This is the in-ground planting area, and there's some stuff planted in here. Oh, don't want to walk over. It looks like some onions. But here's the fence all the way through. So it's 150 feet long by 85 feet wide. And tomorrow this will be all wrapped, and the entire fence will be up. And here's the raised bed area. But that's gonna be it for today, my friends. And be back here bright and early tomorrow morning. At least today. Last night I didn't get home till 8:30, so I'll be home by 4:30 today, and I'll be able to go to the gym tonight. I hate when I have to miss the gym. But that's that for today, and be back tomorrow with some more videos and images. And share, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and keep up with what we're doing. And if you need to transform your backyard into a regenerative edible landscape, give me a shout. 612-990-5345. It'd probably be the best to text me at that number, because I get so many spam calls at that. I usually don't pick up. So if you send me a text I will give you a call right back. Just let me know what it's about. Otherwise, you can email me at travis@foodforestabundance.com. And that's that, everybody. Have an amazing day. Stay dry. And grow food, not lawns, my friends. See ya. There. Grow food. Have an amazing day. See ya.